Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving a truck together. Let's start by drawing the basic shape of the truck's body. Draw a rectangle for the truck's cab. Now add another rectangle for the truck's cargo area. Connect the two rectangles for the truck's cargo. Next, draw the wheels. They are like big circles under the truck. Add smaller circles inside for the hubcaps. Now let's draw the details. Start with the headlights. Draw two small circles at the front of the cab. Add rectangles below for the grille. Draw the windows on the cab with small rectangles. Don't forget the door handles. Now, let's work on the cargo area. Draw some lines for texture. Add a rectangle for the back door. Draw the tail lights with small rectangles. Next, let's add some details to the wheels. Draw spokes inside the wheels with lines. Add some texture to the tires with curved lines. Now, let's draw the side mirrors on the cab. Use small rectangles for the mirror frames. Add smaller rectangles inside for the mirror glass. Now, let's add the finishing touches. Draw lines for the bumper and any extra details you like. Erase any unnecessary lines to clean up your drawing. Now it's time to color our truck. You can choose any colors you like. Use our darker shades for the wheels and windows. Add highlights with a lighter shade to make it pop. Don't forget to color the details like the headlights and grille. Finally, add some shading to give the truck depth. And there you have it. Our truck drawing is complete. I hope you had fun drawing along with me. Thanks for watching.